Hey everybody, it's Annie from the Perennials department, and if you're looking for a super simple, low maintenance way to fill in the gaps in your garden, ground covers are for you. In this video, we're going to explore a few different ground covers and how to incorporate them, and explore their benefits like weed control, added texture and color in the garden, replacing the mulch, and adding more pollinator benefits. Let's take a look at what we've got at Pacandra. If you're looking for a great sun option, thyme is going to be where it's at. We've got a few different varieties of thyme. They're going to grow really well in that bright sunshine, in rock gardens, between pavers, and they also have a very nice scent that's going to keep the mosquitoes away. Now this is more of a slow to medium grower, so it's going to take a few years to spread and establish. One of my favorites for sunny spaces is going to be spreading or creeping phlox. This is going to perform really well in rock gardens, sunny areas. It's going to sort of mound. They can creep under the soil or on top of the soil using their leafy stems called stolons. The pollinators love these guys, and so do I. Another thing to note about phlox is that it has a moderate growth rate. It's not going to grow super aggressively, but it's not that slow. So you'll have a good mat forming within 1 to 2 growing seasons. Lastly, for sun, we've got Sedum. This is going to be another great drought-tolerant spreading ground cover. It's got a moderate growth rate, so 1 to 2 years, and you'll be in business. So this is a juga. Now this is going to be a great ground cover for shade. It's got striking foliage and these beautiful purple flowers. Now this is also going to have a moderate growth rate. Next up is Lamium for the shade. Now this is going to be a very vigorous grower, so you're not going to want to plant as many of these when you put them in the soil. And they have beautiful pink flowers or yellow flowers, and they come in all different kinds of foliage textures as well. Next we have Pacandra. Now this is also a favorite. It's going to grow really fast, spread rapidly, and it is evergreen, so you'll have some greenery throughout the winter as well, and it'll get little white flowers in midsummer. Lastly for shade is my personal favorite, and that is sweet woodruff. This is going to do really well under black walnut trees and give you a pop of white color. Fun fact, it is also used in creating wines and beverage flavors. The growth rate for sweet woodruff is moderate to fast, so it will fill in pretty quick. So once you have your ground covers picked out, spacing is key. You don't want to overcrowd your plants and promote disease, but you also don't want weeds to come up. So how would you space your plants? The general rule of thumb for slow spreaders is going to be 6 to 12 inches apart. Moderate to medium growers are going to need 12 to 18 inches apart, and fast, aggressive growers are going to need 18 to 24 inches apart. Once you get your spacing down, you should have a nice ground cover bed in roughly 1 to 3 seasons. And you may even be able to ditch your mulch altogether and not have to buy that year after year. It's also going to be a great way to control soil erosion. With the right choices and a little patience, ground covers can transform your garden into a thriving, low-maintenance landscape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Pacandra.